Okay, the schedule tab right here. You got the candidates scheduling group, and you got the assessor. Yeah, I know I have a misspell here, but we're gonna fix it out later. So you're gonna see it's automatically divide the candidates into group and the assessors into classes. And if we'll go back for a second to the main tab, you're gonna see that you have an option to manually enter the number of the group that you want to put your candidates in. You have 1 till 4. We created this version to 4 groups. Okay, going down to the schedule, back again. Even if it was scheduled for example, we have 3 and 3 because this is the way to go here. Okay, when you have 6 candidates, if you want to make for example, you want one to be at a different group, you can change it automatically, change it even here. For example, let's put number 2 here, and it will automatically change everything, and including the schedule. Now if you want to get a full day schedule, we're going to hit the schedule button right here. 1 second. And what you're going to get is a full schedule of the entire groups by the numbers and by the exercise. And you're going to see in what class it is, how much time it takes, okay, and how many hours. Okay, for example, you got the first one, everybody starts with the group activity, so it starts from 8 to 9, and then you have a 40 minutes first interview. Then you got a small break of 10 minutes, and so forth. If you want to get a personal time schedule for each one, you're gonna hit, like I showed you, you're gonna hit the report button. You're going to move on to the report schedule tab. Here you can choose whether you want to get assessor or candidate schedule. Let's take for example candidate and say candidate number 1. Okay, and we're going to say create a report. Now you're going to see his daily report. For example, he's going to start at 8 a.m. till 9. He has the group activity. From 9 a.m. to 9:40 he has the first interview at class number 2. From 9:40 to 9:50 he has a small break. From 12:30 to 1 o'clock he has the presentation at class 1. From 1 to 1:10 he has a small break. Then the second interview is starting from 1:50 to 2:30, which again is in classroom number 1, and at the end of it another small break. If you want to be able to print a version of this schedule, you're going to hit it here, okay, the PDF button, and this is automatically creates you a PDF version of the file for which you can print. Okay, it's going to open a small window